Unveiling light industry, the realm of home appliances. In today's world, home appliances have become an integral part of our daily lives. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, these machines are there to assist us in countless ways. Light industry is like a universe of its own. It encompasses a wide range of products that are designed to make our lives more convenient and efficient. It's full of fascinating things. From the latest smart refrigerators to energy-efficient washing machines, the innovations in this field are truly remarkable. One of these things is home appliances. These devices have revolutionized the way we manage our households. These machines make our lives easier. They are everywhere. From the kitchen to the laundry room, home appliances are indispensable. Home appliances are part of light industry. This sector focuses on producing goods that are used by consumers on a daily basis. They are different from heavy industry. While heavy industry deals with large-scale production of items like cars and machinery, light industry focuses on smaller, consumer-oriented products. Heavy industry makes big things like cars and bridges. These are essential for infrastructure and transportation. Light industry makes smaller things. These items, though smaller in size, have a significant impact on our daily lives. These things are often for consumers. They are designed to be user-friendly and to meet the needs of everyday people. Consumers use them every day. Whether it's brewing a cup of coffee or vacuuming the living room, home appliances are a constant presence in our routines. Light industry focuses on consumer goods. This sector is dedicated to creating products that enhance our quality of life. These goods are often made in factories. Skilled workers and advanced machinery come together to produce these essential items. They are then sold to people like you and me. From the factory floor to the retail store, the journey of a home appliance is a testament to the efficiency of light industry. Home appliances are a perfect example of this. They embody the principles of light industry, combining functionality with innovation. Think about your refrigerator or washing machine. These appliances are designed to make your life easier and more efficient. These machines are products of light industry. They are the result of meticulous design and engineering. They are essential to our modern lives. Without them, our daily routines would be much more challenging and time-consuming. From humble beginnings, the evolution of home appliances. Home appliances were not always so common. In fact, for much of human history, people had to rely on their own hands and simple tools to get household tasks done. In the past, people did chores by hand. Washing clothes, for example, was a labor-intensive process that involved scrubbing each item individually. Washing clothes took a long time. It was a physically demanding task that could take up an entire day. Cooking was a slow process. Meals were prepared over open flames or wood-burning stoves, requiring constant attention and effort. The first home appliances were simple. They were often expensive. These early machines were a luxury that only the wealthy could afford. Only a few people could afford them. These early adopters enjoyed conveniences that were out of reach for the average household. But things changed over time. Technology improved. Appliances became cheaper. As manufacturing processes advanced, these once luxurious items became accessible to more people. The invention of electricity revolutionized appliances. It brought about a new era of convenience and efficiency in the home. Electric motors replaced manual labor. Tasks that once took hours could now be completed in minutes. This made appliances faster and more efficient. Refrigerators replaced ice boxes, keeping food fresh for longer periods. Electric ovens replaced wood-burning stoves. Cooking became quicker and more reliable with precise temperature control. Today we have amazing appliances. They are designed to make our lives easier and more comfortable. They can do incredible things. From smart refrigerators that can order groceries to washing machines that can be controlled via smartphone. They can wash our clothes, cook our food, and even suggest recipes based on the ingredients we have, and even clean our floors. Robotic vacuums and dishwashers have taken over some of the most tedious household chores. We owe a lot to the evolution of home appliances. They have transformed our daily lives, making tasks easier and freeing up time for other activities. The invisible hand that shapes our lives. Economic importance of home appliances. Home appliances are important for our lives. They also play a big role in the economy. The home appliance industry is huge. It employs millions of people. The production, distribution, and sale of appliances create jobs. These jobs support families and communities. Additionally, innovation in the appliance industry drives technological advancements. When people buy appliances, they put money into the economy. This spending helps businesses grow. It also creates a demand for new and better appliances. The home appliance industry is connected to other industries. It relies on steel, plastic, and electronics. This interdependence strengthens the overall economy. Section 4. Everyday miracles, key home appliances and their impact. We often take home appliances for granted, but imagine life without them. Refrigerators keep our food fresh. Ovens help us cook delicious meals. Washing machines save us countless hours of labor. Vacuum cleaners keep our homes clean. Air conditioners keep us cool in the summer. These appliances have transformed the way we live. Home appliances have also freed up our time. We have more time for things we enjoy. We can spend more time with our families. We can pursue our hobbies and interests. The impact of home appliances on society is undeniable. They have improved our health, comfort, and overall well-being. Section 5. Innovation in the home. A glimpse into the future of convenience. The home appliance industry never stands still. It is constantly evolving. New innovations are changing the way we live. Smart appliances are becoming increasingly popular. Smart appliances can connect to the internet. This allows us to control them remotely. We can start the dishwasher from our phones. We can preheat the oven on our way home from work. Energy efficiency is another major focus. Appliances are becoming more energy efficient. This saves us money on our utility bills. It also helps protect the environment. The future of home appliances is exciting. We can expect to see even more innovation in the years to come. Section 6. A smarter tomorrow. Predicting future trends in home appliances. What does the future hold for home appliances? As technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace, the appliances in our homes are set to become more advanced, efficient, and user-friendly than ever before. Several trends are likely to shape the industry. From artificial intelligence to sustainability, the future of home appliances is both exciting and transformative. Artificial intelligence, or AI, will play a bigger role. Imagine appliances that can think and learn, adapting to your habits and preferences over time. Appliances will become more intuitive. They will not only respond to voice commands, but also predict what you need before you even ask. They will learn our preferences and anticipate our needs. For instance, your refrigerator might suggest recipes based on the ingredients it knows you have. Imagine a refrigerator that orders groceries for you. It could track your inventory and automatically place orders when supplies run low, or an oven that adjusts the cooking time based on the food you put in it. This could ensure perfectly cooked meals every time, taking the guesswork out of cooking. Sustainability will also be a key driver. As we become more conscious of our environmental impact, the demand for eco-friendly appliances will grow. Appliances will be designed to minimize their environmental impact. They will be more energy efficient, reducing both electricity consumption and utility bills. They will use less energy and water. This not only helps the planet but also saves money in the long run. They will be made from recycled materials. Manufacturers will increasingly use sustainable practices to create appliances that are both high quality and environmentally friendly. The line between appliances and other technologies will blur. Our homes will become smarter with devices that communicate with each other seamlessly. Our homes will become more connected. Imagine controlling your entire home with just a few taps on your smartphone or through voice commands. Appliances will seamlessly integrate with our smartphones, televisions, and other devices. This interconnected ecosystem will make our lives more convenient and efficient, heralding a new era of smart living. Section 7. The future of comfort, home appliances and the human experience. Home appliances have come a long way since their humble beginnings. They have transformed the way we live, work, and interact with our homes. The future of home appliances is full of possibilities. As technology continues to advance, we can expect appliances to become even more intelligent, efficient, and integrated into our lives. These advancements will free up our time. They will reduce our environmental impact. Home appliances will continue to shape the human experience. They will make our lives easier, healthier, and more enjoyable.